Hi folks, I'm Raz and in today's video I'm going to share with you an IELTS essay writing for both academic and general. So let's take a look at the task 2 essay writing of the IELTS academic or general, which is for 40 minutes. And the student has to write for 250 to 280 words. Now, friends, it's important that we need to understand that there are 5 different essay types. So the moment you read the question, you should be able to identify what essay type your question belongs to. Now, in this video, the first one is a problem solution, opinion, agree, disagree, advantage, disadvantage, and two-part question type. So we are going to discuss a two-part question type in this video. All right, let's take a look at the task assessment, which is 25% each on the task achievement, which is that you do everything you're asked to do. You need to give a full developed response. And the second 25% is based on your coherence and cohesion, where coherence is your presenting your ideas logically and using structured paragraphs, and on the other hand, cohesion is when you use standard expressions and transition words. On the other hand, the third one is a lexical resource, which is for another 25%, which is your range of vocabulary, whether you're using correct spellings and choosing the right choice of words. And the last is grammar, range, and accuracy, which is another 25%, which includes that you should be using different kinds of sentences, ranging from simple, compound, and complex. Now let's take a look at the general topics on the basis of which you get essays. It can vary from education, youth, parenting, environment, sports, economy, and health. All right, now let's take a look at how to utilize 40 minutes effectively. Now, friends, always remember the word power, in which P is for pre-analysis, wherein you need to spend 3 to 5 minutes in making your notes, and then O is organization, that once you've made your notes, you should be able to identify and prioritize to what extent the first point should come, and then in the sequencing, the rest points. Moving on to the writing, which is approximately 30 minutes that you should spend. And again, after you finished with the writing, you need to spend 3 to 5 minutes in your editing. Check that you're using different synonyms and you're not avoiding different important words. Check your spellings and grammar and do the final review. Let's take a look at the two-part question type format now. So all in all, we are going to segregate 4 different paragraphs, in which the first paragraph is an introduction. The second paragraph is when you answer the first question. So make your enough points. And friends, make sure that you support your answer with relevant examples or a survey. Moving on to the paragraph 3, now you need to answer the second question, and again list it in different points and use relevant examples or a survey and do your final conclusion. Now let's take a look at the sample question for this video. The question says, do you think customers should avoid overpacked products, or it is the responsibility of product producers to avoid extra packaging of products? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. So let's take a look at the sample answer, which can help you score a good band. It's a paragraph 1, which is an introduction. Overpackaging of products has become a trend in today's competitive world. Producers are trying to lure consumers with an attractive packaging of their products, not bothered about its negative impact, not only on the environment, but the users as well. It should be the responsibility of the producers to limit the wastage of the resources in the form of redundant packaging. Now, paragraph 2 is when we are answering the first question. To embark with, the cost of overpackaging is ideally added to the product sold. In fact, at times it is seen the packing cost and durability is more than the product itself. The type of packaging found in pharmaceutical industries can be taken as an example here. Pills and tablets are found to be wrapped in much bigger and colorful strips than needed. Does this increase the sale of medicine? No, such packaging is of no concern to the consumers, yet the cost of medicine would have definitely been lesser if sold in a simple outlook. Paragraph 3. Further, the material used is mostly non-disposable, which adds to the environmental pollution to a great extent. Snacks and other food items packaged in eye-catchy, shimmering colored packets are consumed on a large scale by everybody. These packets are really strenuous to dispose of as they emit poisonous gas if burned, and if not, can be seen to contaminate water somewhere. Producers should realize the importance of using materials like paper and stick to simple packaging. All right, so paragraph 4 is when we are summing it up, so we can say, to sum up, packaging as seen not only elevates the cost of the product, but also makes our environment unhealthy. So this packaging boom should be carefully checked on a serious note by the producers. Moreover, the producers should be restricted to predefined rules and parameters set by the government. Therefore, it is also recommended that the users are made aware that quality of the product is pivotal rather than an appealing packaging. So thank you friends for watching this video, and keep watching more IELTS essay writing videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let me also share that the answers shared in all my videos are purely written by me, which is published in the book and is readily available at the bookstores. So grab your copy today. Thank you. Bye.